Hey everybody, thanks for watching again. Here's another video about the new Jeep Wrangler JLU build. So we plan to do a full overland build on this vehicle, and initially when we bought it we decided maybe we should get some steps because my wife is short and they needed to get in a little bit easier. Come to find out we didn't need them, so we found this set of Mopar OEM Rock Rails that are bolt-on, and while it's not a true rock slider, it's a pretty good upgrade, and they were only $60, so we decided to install them. And let's show you how. So they're bolt-on. There's holes in the pinch weld on the bottom there that these slide into. I'll show you that in just a minute. What we're doing is we're just kind of taking off the old steps now. There's two 10mm nuts and a 13mm bolt at 3 different points, one in the middle and one on each side. So you just have to take those off. They come off pretty easy. And when you're ready, you just grab it and yoink it off. There you go. Here's the holes I was talking about where you see the 2 studs that go through the pinch weld where the 10mm go, and that's where the 13mm bolt comes up. Let's take a look and make sure that the slider fits. It's much heavier than the step, but go ahead and put that in. Yes, I installed this lying on the ground in the rain because I wanted to. So that's what it's going to look like on. And we're going to crawl underneath and show you the bolts now. So that hole is where the 13mm bolt goes. Start every bolt by hand. Go ahead and thread it in. You can see the rain coming down in the background. It was a nice, fun, wet day. And those 2 studs sticking through the pinch welds there, that's where the 10mm nuts go. Just thread those on, and then you tighten them down. You don't want to really crank them. You don't want to strip anything, but just tighten them down and do this 5 more times, 3 on each side. And then the sliders are installed. Hopefully they give us enough protection for the trails, at least enough for what we're going to do with this vehicle. And that's it. So thanks for watching.